Here is the picture of Maharashtra district. Good morning students. Today I am going to start with EVS 1 subject, chapter number 15, My District and My State. On the page number 92 of your textbook, big tree is shown. Students, what does it represent? It shows that different parts of the plant combine together to form tree. Okay, so which are the different parts of the plant? Root, stem, leaf, that is leaves, fruits, flower. All these together they form a tree. Yes, also the branches. Branches are also included in that. Okay, so they form together tree. So our state is also like a tree. How? I will explain you. Yes, how the development take place from hamlet to state. Hamlet से state तक हम कैसे पहुँचे? Okay, so man began to do agriculture. Yes, thus it leads to settled life. They started building small house near their farm. Okay, so that is said to be hamlet. Hamlet represents small hut. Many people live together. So one hamlet, two hamlet, three hamlet. So many hamlets all together leads to village. Okay, so there is not one village, there is many village, right? So many villages combine together to form city. Okay, so we get city over there. In the same manner, one city is there? No, many cities are there. So in the same manner, many city, when they get together, we get taluka. Students, what is our taluka? Vasai taluka. Okay, now listen. Vasai is our taluka. Now, may different taluka combine together to form district, and different district they get together to get state. You see how step by step progress has been taken place. Hamlet. Students, these are the pictures of small hamlet which get combined together to form village. Village. See the picture of villages, agriculture land, how green it is. See, agricultural plots are there nearby. So these are the picture of village development. Okay, city. Student, here is a picture of city which have well developed roads, college, schools and college, hospitals, proper transport facilities. Taluka. Taluka called as? Yes, many taluka come together to form district. And district leads to state. So this is a connection. Okay. So why such divisions are made? In order to administrate each and every region of Maharashtra properly. Okay. Now, few more things we are going to study over here. That is, what are the important things in our state of Maharashtra? Student, we stay in Maharashtra. Where is Virar? Virar is in Maharashtra. Okay. What is the district of Virar? Palghar. Palghar is a district. Then, what is a taluka? Vasai Virar Mahanagar Palika. Have you heard this? Okay, so these Nagar Palika, or we can say these are the BMC people who take care of the administration of Virar. Okay, Vasai Virar Mahanagar Palika. They used to take care of our small city, we can say Virar. Okay. So few more importances there. Now you tell me, what is the capital of Maharashtra state? Capital? Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra, and this is a picture of Mumbai. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra state. What about the Nagpur? Nagpur is second capital. Mumbai is first and Nagpur is a second capital. According to the physical feature, what is the meaning of physical feature, students? There, let's see. According to the physical feature, Maharashtra is divided into three regions. Coastal region, mountainous region, and plateau region. So coastal region, those regions who are near the coast, that is sea coast. Konkan, all these are Sindhudurg, they come near the coastal region. So that is why this area is called as coastal area. What about mountain regions like Lonavala, Matheran? These all are mountainous region. Satpura mountain ranges, Sahyadri mountain ranges. Students, if we go into such places, you will see mountains in line. Total greenery is there. Next, plateau region. Plateau regions are there where you can find people staying in small unit. Okay. Arabian Sea. What is there to the west of Maharashtra? Arabian Sea. Then Sahyadri mountain is in the western part of Maharashtra. It is called as Western Ghat. Kalsubai is the mountain of highest peak in Maharashtra. Which is the highest peak? Kalsubai. Okay. Kalsubai is the highest peak in Maharashtra. Satpura mountain. Satmala, Ajanta, Harishchandra, Palgad, Mahadev, Gavilgad, Navegaon, etc. These are the ranges are spread in different part of Maharashtra. Repeat. Thal, Bhor, Varandha, Tamini, Kumbarli, Amba, Fonda and Amboli, etc. are the ghats in Sahyadri mountain. Burhan Pass is in Satpura mountain. It is a pass through which we can go to the other area. Okay. Then let's see the river. Godavari, Krishna, Koyna, Tapi, Narmada, Venganga, Bhima. Then Sina, Vaitarna. It's in Virar ना. विरार के थोड़े आगे जाओगे तो वैतरना आ जाता है. वैतरना, उल्लास, विशस्ती, Savitri are the few rivers that flow in Maharashtra state. It rains heavily in western and eastern part of Maharashtra. Western and eastern part of Maharashtra, it rains heavily. Okay. It rains moderately in center part and area of low rainfall is to the east of Sayadri mountain. Okay, so with this I am finishing the important information of our Maharashtra state. Agriculture is the main occupation in Maharashtra. Various factors such as climate. Host climate is required. ज़्यादा बारिश होगी तो क्रॉप नहीं होगा. मीडियम बारिश होनी चाहिए. राइट, सॉइल फर्टाइल होना चाहिए. Fertility of the soil is also very important part. Then availability of water is also there. So many rivers are there naturally. It is good for agriculture. Okay, so availability of water affect the growth of crop. Different region of Maharashtra get different amount of rainfall. As a result, there is variety in crops in Maharashtra. In Maharashtra, rice is grown in the area of high rainfall region. तो जहाँ पे ज़्यादा बारिश है वहाँ पे आपको राइस मिलेगा. High rainfall region. Wheat, tur, soybean are grown in medium rainfall. Jowar, bajra and moth beans are grown in area of low rainfall. The cash crop like sugarcane, cotton, turmeric, onion, vegetable and fruits like mango, coconut, cashew nut, betel nut, grapes, orange, banana, chiku, etc. are grown in Maharashtra. So these are the fruits and that are the cash crops. Next, agriculture in Maharashtra depend mostly on rainfall. This is called rain-fed or जिरायती crop. Rain-fed मतलब उन्हें पानी नहीं देना पड़ता, वो बारिश के पानी से ही कल्टीवेट होते हैं या उगते हैं. Okay, they produce due to rain water. So they are said to be the Chirayati crop. In Maharashtra, in some places, water obtained through irrigation is also used. This is called irrigated or Bagayati agriculture. The agricultural season that falls during monsoon period is called Kharif season. And the one that falls during winter is said to be Rabi season. Okay? One more topic is there, that is language and dialect. That is dialect and languages. So students, Maharashtra is a state in which different types of languages are spoken. Yes, there are many languages, out of it few languages are given. State in India were formed on the basis of language. Maharashtra state was formed on 1st May 1960. मराठी इज अ स्टेट लैंग्वेज. महाराष्ट्र की स्टेट लैंग्वेज है मराठी. ओके, डायलेक्ट ऑफ मराठी सच एज कोकणी, मालवणी, वरडी, अहिरणी, खानदेशी आर स्पोकन इन मराठा, महाराष्ट्र. डायलेक्ट ऑफ मराठी सच एज कोकणी, मालवणी, वर्दी, अहिरणी आर स्पोकन इन महाराष्ट्र. गोरमती, कोळमी, Korku are the traditional dialect of Adivasi tribes in Maharashtra. Let's see the festivals. Festivals like Diwali, Dasera, Christmas, Eid, Ganesh Chaturthi, etc. are celebrated on large scale in Maharashtra. 15th August, 26th January are the national festival which are celebrated with the great enthusiasm in Maharashtra and all over the country. So students, with this I am finishing this lesson. Let's go with the home assignment. Okay. ओके बाय स्टूडेंट्स.